The crypto space is expanding as we speak, and it is growing at an exponential rate due to the amount of diversified investors who are trying to enter the market before big things start to happen. If you go back to our past videos, you'd know how everything is starting to fall into place in crypto. We are at the verge of the merge that will happen in Ethereum, and Bitcoin has also been showing some nice behavior. As cryptocurrencies slowly become assimilated into the real world, we are seeing industries collide with crypto, and everyone is lining up to become holders of coins. But despite the multitude of coins there are in the big market that crypto is today, you can only hope to invest in the most promising ones, right? This is Diversified Streams, your go-to YouTube channel for all things crypto. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest news and tips related to crypto, and make sure to keep your notifications on so you'll be updated with our latest videos. We post frequently so you wouldn't want to miss it. In today's video, we will be talking about the best crypto coins in the market today that have the highest potential to make it big in the market. If you are a newbie investor or someone who wants to expand his network by pouring funds into other coins, this video is for you. Also, you need to watch out for this one altcoin that we will be featuring at the end of the video. We have several coins to discuss today, so let's get started. The first coin we will be talking about is the one that we have been featuring in possibly all of our videos since we made this channel, and that is Bitcoin. This coin is here to stay and will likely be the flag bearer of crypto in the future. The way I see it, people are taking advantage of the dip that is happening and everyone is lining up to get their coins. Recently, the number of addresses that have at least one Bitcoin has reached an all-time high of 893,000. This behavior is an indication of the growing number of people trying to invest in Bitcoin. And while it hasn't always been this way, the market conditions currently has paved the way for the all-time high values. If we are going to look at the rate of change in which people are striving to get Bitcoin, you'll see that between the month of May in 2020 until February 2022, there hasn't been much change. It actually stood at 0%. But there is a different story to tell when you look at the growth of change from February to early June in 2022, as the rate has grown to 4.8%. And just 2 months after between June to August, the rate has once again increased to 5.1%. The buildup of the rate in a span of a few months is indicative of the excitement that surrounds Bitcoin. Also, if these rates aren't enough to encapsulate the idea of Bitcoin being big, let me tell you, the network of Bitcoin has settled a cumulative $2 trillion worth of Bitcoin just in July. And mind you guys, the all-time high that Bitcoin recorded happened just last November. So if you haven't done your math yet, the total worth that Bitcoin has amassed over the year amounted to 62 trillion, which is actually 3 times the GDP of the US. So I've told you before that there will only be a finite amount of Bitcoin available in the market, and the demand is bound to only rise up in the future. So if you aren't lining up yet, which I doubt you already are, you should definitely check Bitcoin out. So just a minor update, and also, adding to the reason why Bitcoin should be on this list, Jack Dorsey's Square has their eyes set on building a hardware wallet for Bitcoin. They envision the wallet as something that's multi-sig and can be used via mobile. The plan for the wallet is that it will be ruled by 3 keys. The one will be in the app itself, while the other key will be in the actual hardware that you will need to buy from them. The third and final key will be under the custody of Block, which is also under their company. They want to have the ownership of Bitcoin more mainstream through this wallet, and having these extra keys will ensure the safety of your Bitcoin. Promising, and it definitely marks the continuous expansion of the Bitcoin network. Another asset that you should consider is something that's making waves across all platforms in the crypto market, and that is Ethereum. As Ethereum rallies into the upcoming merge, it is coming head-to-head with Bitcoin in terms of progress. In just a couple of weeks, we'll be seeing Ethereum transition from proof of stake to proof of work forever, and this is a momentous occasion not just in the history of Ethereum, but crypto as well. A lot of people are lining up to not only see this event unfold, but also take part in it, and that is something that is inevitable at this point. Ethereum is transforming into a force that may have the potential to take over the entire space. So, if it is not in your list, it is in ours, and you should check it out. How about you guys? What are some coins that you have your eyes set on as investors? Let us know your plans for investing in coins in the comments down below, and we'll see if any of your coins will be included further in the list. Also, while you're at it, do us a small favor by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. This little gesture helps us greatly as we do not have sponsored videos, so you'll be doing us a big favor by doing it. Back to our video. The next coin that we have on our list may or may not be something that you've heard of, and it is Mina. Now this coin may not be that popular, but it has recorded some pretty amazing stats in terms of GitHub commits, and accumulating a total number 2,725 of commits it had over the last 6 months has made it possible for Mina to enter the top 10 of the best coins in terms of GitHub commits. It actually charted higher than more popular coins such as ICP, Solana, and SushiSwap. So I guess it has a great potential to get big and deserves to be on the list. The fourth coin making our list is Avalanche, and this is kind of a spot that's shared by Avalanche and a project under Avalanche. If you have heard of the play-to-earn coin in DeFi Kingdom, they are a cross-chain gaming NFT that has recently surpassed a total value of 1 million transactions. Launched on March 30, 2022, DeFi Kingdom is Avalanche's first subnet and has already surpassed the 1 million transaction milestone, which is a really good feat to not be featured. So Avalanche and DeFi Kingdom take the spot in this list for that. I am taking the time to discuss this next coin to you because this is something that I think you should avoid if you are going to invest for only a brief period. What I am talking about is Chainlink. The reason why you might want to avoid this coin is because recently, Chainlink has gained over 50 cents in the trading sessions that happened last Friday, and with the market going bullish, Chainlink might be headed towards a value of $10. But this does not shake off the fact that there are several indicators pointed towards Chainlink facing correction. Thus, it might be okay to invest in Chainlink for a long period, but not for a short-term investment. Next on our list is Gala, which by the way is partnering with Stick Figure Productions in order to distribute 4DAO on the blockchain. Gala so far has been successful in providing a platform for music and gaming, and it is also upping its network by adding films in its platform. This gives fans a whole lot more to see and experience in Gala, expanding the network further. The platform is committed to giving artists and just everyone in general the opportunities in which they can earn and also learn. To make this true, Gala Films has partnered with Stick Figure Productions, an award-winning production company, to present a feature-length documentary 4DAO to the platform. The documentary was made by Steven Canto and was actually based on a New York Times bestseller Not Without Hope, written by Nick Schuyler and Jer Longman. In the same way they do for music, introducing Gala Films will offer a watch-and-earn mechanism through the same blockchain tech that will ultimately help fans earn through NFTs. Gala is trying to make it big in crypto space, and they are taking the right steps towards the realization of their goals, so they are definitely deserving of a spot on the list. Of course, this list would not be complete without one of the most famous play-to-earn coins in crypto, and that is Axi Infinity. And they have some pretty big updates that you guys might want to know. So recently, Axi Infinity has introduced its new mode in the game, and they said that this is an attempt to strike the balance in the economy of the Smooth Love Potion or SLP token. They did this by removing the token rewards in the classic mode in order to get the players to try the new mode that they have designed, which is called the Axi Infinity Origin. Obviously, the creators of the game had to broadcast this major change to the players, stating in their announcement that SLP will now be transferred to the new mode, officially leaving the classic mode. Due to the change though, minting will not be possible for 30 days to give way for the creators to monitor possible bugs and exploits in the new mode. Axi Infinity hopes that the introduction of this new mode will help the SLP community, and we hope for the same thing to happen as well. Axi Infinity has established its reputation as one of the best play-to-earn games in crypto, and this big change that they are making can either be good or harmful for them. It all really depends on the players and how they will feel towards this change. The final coin competing our list today is Binance, and they are especially putting up some good deeds for the community as they recover almost $500,000 worth of stolen assets in the Curve phishing attack. They were able to successfully seize $450,000 worth of assets in crypto that were stolen last Tuesday due to the front-end attack on Curve Finance. In addition to this, the crypto exchange Fixed Float was also able to retrieve a total of $212,000, which is about 112 ETH in crypto, making the total percentage of asset recovery for Curve standing at 100%. They are really doing some amazing work trying to make the crypto community a safe space to invest, and that's more than enough to save them a spot in today's list. And that wraps up today's list of the best coins in the market today that hold the biggest potential in the future that is to come in crypto. If you think we missed out on any other coins that should be on the list, let us know by leaving a comment down below. Also, we would greatly appreciate it if you can give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your little gesture means a lot to us, and you will also be a part of our growing community. Definitely a win-win situation. This has been Diversified Streams. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next video.